Well, welcome to Raw Tools. We will be working on a special project today. It's our first ever project.
Well, basically what we're doing is we're taking this wall behind us and we're going to try to transform it. We're looking to do like a barn door effect with the wood paneling and things like that.
We hope it turns out the way we saw it turn out in the videos that we saw on YouTube. So hope you can join us and yeah. So first things first, we will begin with cleaning this area, which I will take care of, and he will take care of finding the studs in the wall.
Because you already found your studs.
Yeah. Okay, so we've cleared everything out, as you can tell. He made some chalk marks across the wall.
Yeah, just to find the studs. We left a couple things in that we don't think was essential to take it out.
Don't think.
So we're going to leave that up. We're going to start right now putting in the paneling up. This is exciting times.
So this is our piece that we will be working with.
That's the other side. This is the right side.
Okay, whatever.
All right, here we go.
Hey, we're back. As you can tell, we're halfway done, and it wasn't too bad. We're still alive.
I learned a couple lessons along the way. Number one, always make sure your tools are charged before you get started, otherwise you're stuck with a hand saw.
Yeah.
Other than that, everything else has been pretty straightforward.
We have a little more to go, and I think the complicating parts are coming up right now, and we'll see how we do.
Complicated stuff. If you don't hear from us, then I don't think we made it. There you go.
So it took us 8 hours.
It could have been lesser, but our batteries weren't charged, so.
One thing we learned, charge your batteries for all your tools the night prior, so that we don't run into this problem. But here it is. Hope
Ta-da!
we love it. Oh.
Now if you guys need a barn door wall, you know who to call. It was a good experience. Hopefully this is the start of a few more projects.
I'm excited.
Thank you for joining us on this journey. If we do eventually post this, be sure to subscribe and like our page.
Stop, it's up there.
Wherever.
Oh no, sorry, the like button is down here.
Like our page. We don't know where this is going because this is our first video, but if it goes somewhere, do help us out and join us on this journey that we call life.